Hey, Brian here on ProTinkerToys.com. This is a new item from Auto World. I went to Auto World a year ago and said, hey, you need an adjustable transformer. And guess what they did? They made me one. And it's the 9-volt, 24-volt adjustable hand throttler, 2 amp. And this is the device right here, okay? And it comes with a nice cord. This is the plug-in to your set. You can adjust your power from 9 volts basically all the way up to 24. So you can adjust your speed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this baby in and we're gonna do a test track run of this thing. So we're gonna use one of our exclusives. Of course, when I wanna try to plug it into the track, do I get a good shot? No. All right, so there we go. All right, so let's put on our VW Beetle. So what we want to do is we want to get it around the track. So right now it's slow speed. Now we can go up to 24 volts. Let's go all up to 24 volts. Holy cow. Now that's too fast for me. I don't like that. Well, that one's gone. Let's do the, oh, well, that one's gone too. So let's get around 9 volts. Let's start at 9 volts and slow it. There we go. So if you want a kid that you want to have racing without crashing all the time, you start at 9 volts. You literally can push the hand throttle all the way and it still crashes. Well, let's just get these two cars here. So what's nice about the new transformer is it's adjustable. You can change the power from 9 volts to 24 volts, which is really nice if you're building a larger layout and you want to have the power. You just crank it up 24 volts, which gives you that little extra gump on your layout. It does have 2 amps. I still recommend you do 1 transformer per lane. Like for example, with this layout, we have one transformer for these 2 lanes. Now, I could put another transformer here, right here, where there'd be 2 transformers, but this is plenty for this size of a layout. And this is TRX107. TRX107. We'll just leave that hooked up here because we're going to be doing a bunch of demos. So that's the new transformer from Auto World, and it is TRX107. TRX107, that's Auto World adjustable transfer, available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And I'm really proud of this because basically I asked Auto World to do it and they did it. So it's really cool for ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we'll see you later.